Can you actually afford to drive a Bugatti Chiron for just one day? Not buy it, not own it, just drive it for 24 hours. Because this isn't just a car, it's a 1,500 horsepower financial event. The base price? Around $3 million. But that's only the beginning. Insurance alone can cost between $300,000 and $500,000 per year. An oil change? $25,000? A set of tires rated for over 260 miles per hour? $38,000. And the wheels themselves may need replacing after only a few tire cycles, costing more than $50,000. Now imagine actually pushing the car hard. At full throttle, the fuel tank can empty in under 9 minutes. In a single aggressive day of driving, you could burn through over $100,000 in wear, fuel, and depreciation. So yes, you can drive it for a day, but your bank account might never fully recover. Under the rear deck sits an 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. That's essentially two V8 engines fused together into one mechanical monster. It produces 1,479 horsepower and 1,600 newton meters of torque, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds. Top speed? Electronically limited to 261 miles per hour, and it's limited for a reason, because beyond that, the tires physically cannot survive safely for long. In 2019, a specially prepared version of this car broke the 300 mile per hour barrier, reaching an astonishing 304.773 miles per hour, faster than some small aircraft during takeoff. But raw speed is only half the story. How do you control nearly 1,500 horsepower? An advanced all-wheel drive system constantly redistributes torque in milliseconds. The rear wing automatically deploys and even acts as an air brake under heavy deceleration. Carbon ceramic brakes glow red when slowing from extreme speeds. From 124 miles per hour to 0 takes roughly 9 seconds. This isn't brute force, it's controlled violence. And then there's the interior, hand-stitched leather, precision-milled aluminum. No oversized screens, no unnecessary gimmicks, just mechanical perfection. Each car takes months to assemble. Some components are carved from solid blocks of aluminum. It's aerospace-level engineering, disguised as luxury. Only 500 examples were ever built, each one essentially sold out. The Bugatti Chiron didn't just chase records, it redefined what a hypercar could be. Not just speed, not just power, but engineering dominance. So the real question is, could you afford to drive a Bugatti Chiron for one day? Maybe, but could you afford to drive it the way it was meant to be driven? That's a completely different question.